Hello, my dear students. Warm welcome to Master Academy of Mathematics. This is your Dr. Srinivas, Mathematics Professor. So, I just give you some important questions related to Mathematics 2 JNTU Hyderabad R18 regulation. But before going to that particular information, the minimum thing is nothing but you need to get 26 marks in the final semester examination. So during the COVID situation, the paper pattern, once again I remind you that out of 8 you are answering only 5, and a little bit of easiness they have given from the first 3 units 2 questions, and the last 2 units only 1 question. So overall 8 questions will be there and you are answering only 5. So I just give you the different plans in order to get maximum score in the mathematics 2 examination. In plan number 1, normally you prepare any 3 units, but my sincere suggestion is prepare unit 1, 2, 3, and the next is 4th and 5th. So this is plan number 1, but at most you are going to prepare 3 units. From the first 3 units, 2 questions. So overall from the 3 units, 6 questions you can expect and you can answer easily 5. And 4th and 5th you are expecting only 1 each. So better focus maximum only on the first 3 units. And plan number 2, you prepare some important topics from all the 5 units. That means in the unit number 1, non-exact differential equation, there are certain methods, and definitely you can expect one: Newton law of cooling, growth and decay, and linear differential equation, and apart from Bernoulli differential equation also. In unit 2, method of variation of parameters, legendary equation, and Euler equations like that. And in unit 3, it's a change of order and of integration, area and volume, similarly center of mass and gravity. These are the important topics in unit 3, whereas in unit 4, gradient, next divergent, next curl, and interrelations. And unit 5, it's only we are having 3 different theorems like Green, Stokes and Gauss. So I just give you only the important topics related to unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You just look onto this, and definitely, and from each unit better you prepare on these particular topics. And one more plan I am going to give you: you practice at least 10 questions from each unit, so that I am going to give you some important questions from all the units. So I am wishing you all the best for your upcoming examinations. You just think over it unit wise. It's mathematics 2. I am just giving you, just scrolling down corresponding questions, and from each unit you prepare this type of model of questions. Definitely you will get maximum score. So unit 5, you just look onto this. So overall I am going to give you few important problems based on your previous papers. Overall, I am giving you here 20 questions, and from that you prepare at least 10. It is from unit number 5. Okay, you just look onto the note also. And in unit 4, vector differentiation, here also I am going to give you some important problems. So you prepare at least 10, so that it is very useful to attempt units 4 and 5. Okay, and coming to unit 1, it's ordinary differential equations. Guarantee you are expecting 2 questions. So here a list of important questions here it is given. You try to solve these because time is very short. So prepare, and this is about your unit 2 now. Here also you are expecting 2 problems, 2 questions. Just you look onto the different problems I am going to mention here. That type of problems you can expect here it is. And coming to unit 3, it's multiple integrals. It's first single integral, double integral and triple integral. Then next is changing into polar coordinates. The next is change of order of the integration. That's the most important guarantee you can expect in the semester examination. The next is you are going to calculate volume and area also, very simplest one. So these are the different problems in unit number 3. So overall, I mentioned the important problems, and better my sincere suggestion is focus on 1, 2, 3. The next is 4 and 5. If you prepare each and every one, definitely it's a very easiest thing is during the COVID situation, better no backlogs. You are going to pass each and every examination. So wishing you all the best for your upcoming examinations. Thank you.